Nope. Ah, it's alright. We're getting close. Getting close. How long until this runs out anyway? Like 18 days. I'll get her. I'm not that worried. Oh my god. Memories make me want to go back there. Back there. All the memories. Alright, cool. Well and truly out of shit to do. I think. Oh. Yes. Look, if people have actually finished all of this shit, I would lose my mind. I don't know anybody that's finished this. Fuck you. I didn't want that. Finished the, like, special episodes thing for the Cookie Odyssey. It's just, it seems impossible. Bow, bow. I'm pretty close to finishing it, though, I guess. Bow, bow. 30? Fuck me. Yee-hoo. Woo. Guild battle. Give me the goods. Yee-hoo. Okay. What we got? Nothing good. Did I actually not get... Wow. That's shocking. I guess nobody's been playing. I haven't really. Oh, one more thingy pull. Oh, the way they get me. The way they get me. Oh my god, thank you for a hip patch. I know I've been a real bad girl. Where the fuck? Alright. One more pull. Nothing. Ugh. How many thingies do I have, actually? 79. That's not that many. Oh, well. Wow, a sweet escape. Am I forgetting something? I feel like I am. Oh, I should do those. Womp. Okay. God, I feel like it is impossible to clear this whole fucking thing. I feel like I've been playing for like years now. I think I actually have. Oh, hang on. Escape. Okay. Cool. Alright. Do I ever want to do Superman? Oh! I'm having that. Sorry. Those are both very good. Oh, that's so many. So fucking many. Holy shit. Alright. Oh. Shall we? Get back into it. Good escape. My fucking pen go. Alright. Back into it. I'm gonna fix that bell. I don't like how that looks. You to get hurt. Okay. Back to much. Woo. The wild was sweet escape. Yee-hoo. Actually, I think you'd be able to see way less of that. I'm hungry. I should have made something to eat before I started fucking streaming. I'm so dumb. E hunger. Me, 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 me. Trying to get this bell to look right is going to be like the bane of my existence. Why did I do this?